Welcome to AI Dispatch, your channel for the latest AI videos on YouTube. If you don't want to miss these updates, please like, subscribe, and share. Today's video comes from OpenAI. A developer has constructed a system where AI handles production debugging, resolves merge conflicts by interpreting intent, and upgrades its own capabilities during off hours. The result is a workflow where he maintains 10 to 20 pull requests simultaneously, all continuously passing CI. His summary of this setup: my PRs are always green, will break down how this automation pipeline actually functions. A developer in a recent OpenAI presentation made a statement that captures a new reality for programmers. He said he has automated away almost entirely the parts of his job he doesn't enjoy. It starts the moment he wakes up. Instead of digging through commits and updates, he opens the Codex app to find what he calls a personalized pulse of the codebase. The system has already analyzed the last day of activity, grouped the commits, and summarized who worked on what. It delivers a report that says, here's what happened yesterday, and here's what you need to know. The first layer of automation runs overnight. He described a process called upskill. This runs while he sleeps, analyzing how Codex was used the day before. It looks for scripts that failed, skills that were difficult to use, or processes that could be faster. Then it makes improvements to those skills on its own. In his own words, I'm going to sleep, I wake up, Codex is smarter in the morning. The system isn't just improving its own tools, it's also learning his personal workflow. Another automation runs every few hours, looking for misunderstandings or communication delays he had with the AI. If he used a shorthand that Codex didn't recognize, the system adds that to its personalization layer, ensuring the next interaction is faster and more seamless. Beyond self-improvement, the system takes on production responsibility. It integrates directly with production monitoring tools like Sentry. On a set schedule, it scans for the top production issues, performance regressions, crashes, or errors. It ingests all the relevant data, from logs to source maps, looks at the code base, and then picks an issue to fix. It autonomously writes and submits the code to solve a real production bug. And this process has memory. The system remembers what it tried to fix last time, so it won't submit a pull request for the same top issue over and over again. This frees up the human developers to focus on building new features, while the system quietly handles the bugs that fall through the cracks. This level of automation leads to a staggering number. He mentioned that at any given time, he typically has between 10 and 20 pull requests open simultaneously. For most developers, managing that many PRs would be a nightmare of context switching, CI failures, and merge conflicts. He has an automation for that too. One he calls green PRs. This system constantly monitors all of his open pull requests. If a CI build fails because of a minor linting error, the automation fixes it. If a PR falls behind the main branch, the automation updates it. It ensures that his entire workload of open pull requests is always passing, always ready to merge. The system doesn't just manage PRs. It intelligently resolves merge conflicts. It's not just cleaning up conflict markers in a text file. He explained that the system can look at the conflicting changes and infer the intent behind them. It can understand, oh, Joey was putting in this feature, so he changed this block for this reason, and then reconcile that with the other changes. It understands the why behind the code, not just the what. After laying out this entire automated workflow from the morning briefing to the overnight self-improvement to the proactive bug fixing to the intelligent conflict resolution, he summarized the outcome with one powerful declarative statement, a statement that encapsulates the entire promise of this technology. He said, my PRs are always green. If you're interested in the video featured in this episode, click the link below to watch the original.